What's up, guys? We are back with the latest iPhone 17 Pro leaks. That's going to reveal the shock that's about to hit Samsung fans and make the iPhone fans pretty happy. So Samsung's latest M14 OLED panel will be used in all iPhone 17 models, surpassing the M13 panel used in the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The M14 OLED panel will provide better power efficiency and brightness, and the brand new Apple A19 Pro chip iPhone 17 Pro Max is almost certain to pack the best battery life on a 2025 flagship phone. And as we know with iOS 19, Apple will bring a brand new camera UI. iOS 19 will introduce a revamped camera UI, making it easier to toggle between video resolution and frames per second options. And the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max might support 8K video recording, a feature previously rumored but not implemented due to hardware limitations. And Apple has officially announced the WWDC event, where iOS 19 will be revealed. And iOS 19 is expected to bring significant visual changes, including Vision OS-style glass elements throughout the UI. And if you talking about the iPhone Air, the iPhone 17 Air will have a remarkably thin 5.3mm body. The iPhone 17 Air will have a single camera setup, a compromise for its ultra-thin design. So if you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe.